Assalamualaikum. Welcome to our online class today. Dear learners, how are you? Hope you are fine and safe with your family. In our previous class, we discussed about Maria, who was visually impaired, but she continued her study. Today, we discuss how she can fulfill her dreams. Actually, Maria wants to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things in their lives. Yes, you know, our topic is Life is Beautiful. Unit 20, lesson 5, 6, 7, 8. Before going to the lesson, you should know the keywords of this passage. The first one, hope. Hope means expect. Hope means expect. University. University means higher educational institution. Higher educational institution. Setup. Setup means establish. Setup means establish. Feeling. Feeling means the sense of what one feels. Experience. Experience means learning from some happening. Amazing. Amazing means something strange. Something strange. Again, hope. Hope means expect. University. University means higher educational institution. Setup. Setup means establish. Feeling. The sense of what one feels. Experience. Learning from some happening. Amazing. Something strange. You must practice this again and again. Now, open your book. Take your EFT book, Unit 20, Lesson 5, 6, page number 80. Now we read the passage. Maria hopes to go to university one day. Her teachers think that she can. Maria wants to set up a school of her own so that she can teach visually impaired children. Before this, Maria wants to be a writer. She wants to write a book about her feelings and experiences. She wants to show other impaired people that they can do amazing things in their lives. Now, we do activity D. Here you see 3 questions. The first question, why does Maria want to set up a school? Why does Maria want to set up a school? Why does Maria wants to set up a school to teach the visually impaired children? To teach the visually impaired children. Our second question, what kind of book does Maria want to write? What kind of book does Maria want to write? Maria wants to write a book about her feelings and experience. Maria wants to write a book about her feelings and experience. Number 3. Why does she want to write this book? Why does she want to write this book? She wants to write this book to inspire visually impaired people, to inspire other impaired people, or to inspire visually impaired people. Okay, I think you learned this. To better understanding, you must practice it again and again. Now we do activity S. Here we find a filling the gaps. Complete the sentences with the word from the box. Yes. Here we see a box, some words in this box. At first read the word of this box: business person, computer engineer, doctor, farmer, pilot, teacher. This means the profession of a different profession of the people. The first one, Dash works in a school. Who works in a school? We know. A teacher works in a school. Teacher. So the first gap we write a teacher. A teacher works in a school. Children learn how to read and write from this person. Number 2, Dash studies computer science. Who studies computer science? A computer engineer. A computer engineer studies computer science and can fix computers. Number 3, Dash looks after ill people. Who looks after ill people? A doctor. A doctor looks after ill people and helps them to become healthy. Number 4, Dash flies planes. Who flies planes? A pilot. A pilot flies planes. He or she travels around the world. Number 5, Dash grows crops. Who grows crops? A farmer. A farmer grows crops such as rice. We get our food from this person. Number 6, Dash buys and sells things in Bangladesh or in other countries. Who buys and sells things? A businessman. A businessman buys and sells things in Bangladesh or in other countries. You understand this? Now, I will give you a homework. Please open your notebook and take the homework. Homework. Write 5 sentences about what you would like to do in the future. Your homework, write 5 sentences about what you would like to do in the future. You must complete the homework. See you in our next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.